This is not what they dreamed of when they set out to reach Europe, a holding centre for migrants on the Greek island of Chios. Overcrowded, under-resourced, the authorities struggling to cope with the numbers. Hundreds tore down the razor wire fence that was keeping them in and fled the camp. They walked to the port, demanding to continue their journeys to northern Europe. Their fear that they will be sent back to Turkey instead.
Deportation is a big mistake because we have risked a lot to come here, especially during our crossing from Turkey to Greece. We were smuggled here from Turkey. We cannot go back. We will repeat our trip again and again if need be, because we are running away in order to save our lives.
Under a deal reached last month, irregular migrants in Greece will be sent back to Turkey if they arrived after March the 20th. For each migrant returned, the EU will take one from Turkey to be resettled in Europe. That process is due to begin on Monday. On Friday, the Greek Parliament voted through a law allowing it to return those migrants. But the UN wants legal safeguards to make sure Turkey does not send them back to countries where they could face persecution or violence. It says conditions must also be improved for refugees being held in both Turkey and Greece.
People here refuse to be practically. I don't know how they are going to treat us. They are going to deport us forcibly. I don't know. We are not doing that.
The deal is meant to reduce the flow of migrants who are paying smugglers to get them to Europe, but they continue to arrive on Greek shores. The risks they face at home still seemingly great enough to make the perilous journeys a risk worth taking. Ben Bland,